If you're looking for information on the Squirrly SEO Lifetime Deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Squirrly SEO Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Squirrly SEO Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Revolutionize your SEO efforts with Squirrly SEO WordPress plugin and SEOs. Take your website's SEO to the next level with Squirrly SEO WP plugin and SEOs. With advanced features, AI guidance, and user-friendly interface, Squirrly SEO helps you achieve better search engine rankings, increase traffic, and reach new customers. Squirrly is the only software that gives you the complete SEO funnel. Expert AI guidance. Get access to expert guidance and support from Squirrly SEO AI Assistant, ensuring that you're always up to date with the latest SEO best practices. Advanced keyword research and analysis. Discover the best keywords to target for your website with Squirrly's advanced keyword research and analysis tools. Content optimization. Optimize your content for search engines and your audience with personalized optimization suggestions from Squirrly, including keyword usage, meta tags, and content length. Works on front end of your favorite builders. You can now use the SEO Live Assistant to optimize your posts and pages built with Classic Editor, Gutenberg, Elementor, Oxygen, Divi, Thrive Architect, Bricks, Zion, WP Bakery, Beaver, Brizy. Plus, you'll also get complete page audits and reports for pages built with any of these builders. Performance tracking. Keep track of your website's SEO performance and measure the effectiveness of your efforts with Squirrly SEO built-in analytics. Easy integration. Squirrly SEO seamlessly integrates with WordPress, allowing you to easily manage your website's SEO from within the platform. It also integrates with Advanced Custom Fields plugin, Polylang, WPML, WooCommerce, Gutenberg, AMP, Translate Press, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Bing, Moz, Majestic, Google Search Console, Google Analytics. Get one, offload the rest kind of a deal. Lighten your stack of plugins and get more done with one tool. Squirrly can successfully replace the software you currently use for on-page content optimization, keyword rank tracking, schema, keyword research, on-page SEO metas, Open Graph, Twitter card, 301 redirect, sitemap creation, blog posts research, copyright-free images, structured data markup, canonical URLs, meta robots tags noindex, Nofolo, robots.txt, keyword organization, SEO content grading, SEO analyzer, SEO suggestions, SEO audit, GSC and GA integration. Squirrly SEO is an AI-powered, all-in-one SEO suite that takes the guesswork out of search engine optimization. Get the perfect SEO setup instantly. Over 650 features pre-configured for you during install. All hand-holding. Completely educational. Squirrly provides a fail-proof, paint-by-numbers way of managing and improving your site's SEO. Use one tool for keyword research, content optimization, SEO settings, technical SEO, site audits, rank tracking, and more. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Squirrly SEO today. One-time purchase of $69 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.